conducts legal advisor, company secretary. It comes under secretarial duties. A very important question we are studying. Section 101 to 114 we are going to discuss today, which inculcates all the provisions relating to conducting of general meetings. Section 101, notice of the meeting. I had written 21 days. Friends, for any meeting, general meeting, at least 21 days before, the notice of meeting must be given to the member, shareholder, either by post or by electronic mode, by email, messages. Is that clear? Statement to be annexed with the notice. Now one annexure is there with the notice. Why we are conducting meeting? It inculcates an agenda of the meeting. What are the points to be discussed in meeting? Whether it is presentation of financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss account, dividend declaration details, clear? Whether it is appointment of directors, removal of directors, any such issue, or any special business to be transacted in a context of the company. So discussion about that particular point, that should be annexed with the notice. So people, members who are attending, going to attend the meeting, they shall come to know how to vote, where to vote, what to discuss. Clear? Section 103, quorum for the meeting. What is quorum for the meeting? It depends upon the number of members actually present in the meeting. If number of members present are 1000, up to 1000, then 5 is the quorum. Quorum means minimum number of members that should attend the meeting. If total members are 1 to 5000, to whom notice is given, 15 is required, at least 15. If members are above 5000, then at least 30 people should come there, then meeting will be conducted. 29 meeting nahi hoga. So these are the conditions. Okay. Section 104, chairman of the meeting. Now chairman will be elected by the members present. They will select their chairman and chairman will guide the meeting, he will control the meeting. 105, proxies. What is proxy? When one person is absent, voting is going on, but he wants to vote, he is out of town, he can write to the board of directors, he can write to the chairman that I will be absent, but at my place, my friend Mr. Y should be given an opportunity to vote on my behalf. That is called as proxy. The proxy person can vote, but he has no right to speak in the meeting. He will not interfere. He will not put his opinion. He has to just vote and leave. Then, restriction on voting rights. Section 106. The board of directors is empowered to restrict the voting right in only one case, when the costs of that particular shareholder are unpaid, when he has not paid some amount of shares bought by him, subscribed by him. In that case, restriction could be there. Section 107, voting by show of hands. Now these are methods of voting. These are methods of voting. From 107, 108, 109, 10. All these are methods of voting. Voting by show of hands. What is voting of show of hands? जैसे आप कितने 100 लोग बैठे हुए यहाँ पे, अगर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, जिनका आंसर यस है, वो हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. ओके. निकम सर अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं. Show your hands. Okay. So I got 99% votes. Okay. So the resolution is passed. Is that clear? अगर एक भी हाथ नहीं उठा तो समझ लें रेजोल्यूशन इज फेल्ड. मुझे मालूम है आप मजाक कर रहे थे. ओके. सो इफ रेजिंग ऑफ हैंड इज देयर, सिंपली एवरीबॉडी कम्स टू नो किसका वोट क्या है. सीक्रेट वोटिंग में क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग, वोटिंग बाय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीन्स। तो बटन दबाना है, उसको आगे से पूरा कवर होगा, जैसे आप विधानसभा का कॉर्पोरेशन के इलेक्शन में वोटिंग किया होगा आपने, दैट इज सीक्रेट टाइप ऑफ वोटिंग, वोटिंग थ्रू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीन्स। सेक्शन 108 109 डिमांड फॉर पोल। पोल इज व्हाट? व्हेन देयर इज डिफरेंस ऑफ द ओपिनियन। जैसे 100 लोग हैं और 80 लोगों ने आप में से बोल दिया बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाते हैं कंप्यूटर, लेकिन 20 लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको लगता है कि नहीं ये गलत बोल रहे हैं, अच्छा पढ़ा, तो वो पोल डिमांड करेंगे। पोल डिमांड करेंगे मीन्स व्हाट? माइनॉरिटी सेक्शन will write to the chairman that we want poll, adjourn the meeting, adjourn means what? Stop the meeting please, give us an opportunity to convince other people and conduct re-voting, उसको बोलते हैं पोल। किसी भी इशू पे वोटिंग हुआ, माइनॉरिटी को लग रहा है कि साला गलत हो रहा है, ये जाती हो रही है, तो वो चेयरमैन को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, and if poll is granted by the chairman, मीटिंग विल बी एडजर्न, चेयरमैन विल डिक्लेयर कि मैं आपको 20 मिनट का समय देता हूं, आप 2 ग्रुप में बढ़ जाओ, ग्रुप ए ग्रुप बी। तो जो 20 लोग हैं माइनॉरिटी के, उसके 10 एक ग्रुप में जाएंगे और रिमेनिंग 10 दूसरे ग्रुप में, और उनको अलग अलग रूम्स मिल जाएंगे, सेम हॉल में नहीं बैठेंगे वो। प्रैक्टिकली आई एम टेलिंग यू द प्रोसीजर। दे विल डिस्कस इन अ ग्रुप। तो ये 10 लोग उनको कन्विंस करेंगे माइनॉरिटी के, यार आप गलत डिसीजन दे रहे हो, कंपनी जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करी है ये कंपनी के लिए सही नहीं है, लोन उठा के इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट सही नहीं होगा, लॉस में जाएगी, डिविडेंड नहीं मिलेगा, आप नो बोल दो। तो ये कन्विंसिंग कर सकते हैं वहां पे, जैसे किसी भी इलेक्शन का कैंपेनिंग होता है, प्रचार होता है, वैसे वहां पे 10 मिनट के लिए कर सकते हैं। इन केस ऑफ पोल, after poll again they will come, again re-voting will be there, and usually the decision is changed after poll many a times. Demand for poll. So rules relating to poll you will have to remind. Procedure for poll. Section 110 voting by postal ballot. You know postal ballot, on expected answers are written, options are given, and the person has to just tick on that postal ballot. Is that clear? And he has to secretively put into the box by folding that particular ballot, and it will be dropped into a box which is already locked. So that is voting by postal ballot. 111 circulation of members' resolution. For what reason? The main agenda of the meeting, for which meeting has been conducted, that will be printed and that will be circulated amongst the members before voting, कि सबको ठीक से पता चले कि किस चीज के लिए वोटिंग हो रहा है, तो एवरीबडी कैन रीड, तो वो सर्कुलेट किया जाएगा पूरे मेंबर्स में। रेजोल्यूशन होने से पहले भी और होने के बाद भी, बिकॉज देयर सिग्नेचर्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड। 112 रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट एंड गवर्नर्स इन मीटिंग्स। If President of India is a member in any company, or Governor of that particular state is a member in any company, they can appoint a specific person which is named. They will write to the company, Mr. Y, we will be my representative for general meeting to be conducted on signature. So that fellow will come and attend the meeting on behalf of President or Governor. Then representation of body corporate, creditors, डिवेंचर होल्डर्स, बैंकर्स, पब्लिक फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, जो भी है, तो ये लोग भी अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मीटिंग के लिए अपॉइंट कर सकते हैं। They can appoint their representative, and such representative will attend the meeting and he will speak on behalf of the company after giving an opportunity by the chairman. Okay? 114 ordinary resolution and special resolution. Friends, the purpose of the meeting, the moral of the meeting is to conduct some resolutions, decision making. Resolution is what? The decision taken in writing and it is signed, so it becomes resolution. There is a style of writing resolution. in corporate law, resolved that Bajaj Auto Limited will shift its location of producing the vehicle Bajaj Pulsar from Akudi, Pune to the Uttaranchal state with 80% majority of the quorum of the meeting. Full stop. Signatures. This is called as resolution. This is a style of writing resolution. What is special resolution? What is ordinary? Ordinary means when the resolution is passed, then it is ordinary. But for special resolution means the resolution which is passed by not less than 3/4 or 75% majority of the quorum of the meeting. तो 100 लोग बैठे और एक सवाल पूछा गया तो कम से कम 75% और उससे ज्यादा लोगों ने हाथ ऊपर करना चाहिए या यस को वोट देना चाहिए. Then it will become a special resolution. Otherwise, it is ordinary. In corporate law, it is given when special resolution is required. For example, statutory auditor's appointment under section 224 of the Companies Act 1956 or Companies Amendment Act 2013. It requires special resolution. Is that clear? If it is government company or specific instances are given, so special resolution is the resolution passed by not less than 75% of the majority of the quorum of the meeting. So I hope it is understood. That's all.